Hi, I'm from All-American 1930 and today we're going to walk through the inspection checklist. Your All-American 1930 pressure canner is built to last for generations. Even the best tools need a little attention to stay in peak performance. That's why a regular inspection is essential. A regular inspection ensures your canner operates safely, seals properly, and maintains consistent pressure, which means safe, reliable results every time you preserve food. First, we're going to talk about the metal-to-metal seal. You will remove the lid and inspect for any damage on the seal surface of both the lid and the bottom of the unit. Imperfections on the sealing surface can happen over time with the use of the unit. If your unit has cracks or is unable to build or maintain pressure, please contact customer support. Next, we're going to talk about the overpressure plug. You want to inspect this for cracks, wear, and debris accumulation. Replace your existing overpressure plug with a new one if you see any of those conditions. Our pressure canners use a black overpressure plug, which differs from the bright colored one on the sterilizers. Never replace your overpressure plug with a used one. We recommend a yearly replacement even without the visible signs of the wear and tear. Next, we're going to talk about the steam gauge. You want to be sure to inspect the entrance of the steam gauge is clean ahead of every use. This is the spot where you will inspect. If the steam gauge doesn't properly return to zero after a set cool down period, it may need to be replaced. A good practice is to replace the steam gauge yearly. Next, we will talk about the pressure regulator weight and vent pipe. You want to inspect the vent pipe and regulator weight with each use to make sure they are free of debris. You want to inspect the vent pipe by holding it up to the light. Next, we will talk about the wing nuts, pins, and bayonet clamps. The pin is located here, which holds the wing nut together, and the bayonet clamps are located here. You want to inspect all these components for any wear, tear, or bending and cracking. Although not common, we still recommend inspecting these components and replacing them when necessary.